In this video, I'll reveal the top-rated credit cards specifically designed for everyday use. So without any further ado, let's dive in and find out. On number 1, we have Citi Double Cash Card. It's a simple, no-fuss card that lets you earn 2% cash back on all purchases, 1% when you buy, and another 1% when you pay. With no annual fee, it's perfect if you want a steady, reliable rewards card without juggling categories. Plus, with the option to convert cash back to Citi Thank You points, you gain more flexibility if you're into travel rewards. On number 2, we have Capital One Venture Rewards Card. If you're looking for versatile rewards, this card offers 2 miles per dollar on every purchase, and even 5 miles per dollar on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel. There's a generous welcome bonus of 75,000 miles when you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months, which is equivalent to $750 for travel. This card does carry a $95 annual fee, but for frequent travelers, the rewards and perks make it worth it. On number 3, we have American Express Blue Cash Preferred Card. It offers a huge 6% cash back on up to $6,000 a year at U.S. supermarkets. After that, it drops to 1%. Plus another 6% cash back on select streaming services. However, there's an annual fee after the first year, but the high rewards on groceries and streaming make it an excellent choice for families. Overall, each of these cards has unique benefits tailored for different needs. Whether you want a straightforward cashback option, flexible travel rewards, or maximum savings on household expenses, these cards have you covered. But as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.